Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing review. Today I'm checking out the WUBEN X4. It has these little multi-lights now, pretty popular. Like these ones it's got a bunch of different stuff on here. So pretty cool packaging, nice instruction manual there. We got a little lanyard, charging cable. So we have a nice little clip here on the outside to access the battery. It has a little hook there. You can press that. So you press that. Yes, I'm pressing it. Okay. So to get the battery out, it has a little lock and unlock mechanism right here on the bottom. So to lock that, it's a little pressing thing here. Unlock it and click that forward, and then you can press that and it releases it. So when that's locked in place, like that's not. In the back end, we have a light here. So when it's on, I think any of the lights except for off, moonlight has this, the moonlight one. That's the first one. You go to the second one and it's on as long as you hold it on. And double tap is going to be strobe, nice and bright. And then for the side light, same thing. You click it, it's going to hold it on, double tap, strobe, and then there's the off on the side. So on the side switch, we have off, we have the side beam, we have front beam and moon. And then we have this, the rear button here activates the moon, strobe, and bright. So then we have a power button here and a rotating knob here. So, all right, so we'll go to the side beam one. Press this once and it activates this light here. This can be then change the color based on you rotating the dial here. So that's pretty sweet. Double tap it. It's going to give you a flashing light there. Double tap, it switches back. Press it once to turn it off. Hold it down. That's going to bring up this little light here. You can double tap off of that and it's going to give you a flashing strobe here. Double tap again and it's a different one like red and blue. Double tap again and it's red and green. And we can press it once. Now to go here, hold that power down. To activate the other light here, press it once and then hold it down and that's going to switch it to the white lights here. Now this white light, you get really dim and then it flashes once. That means it's reached its maximum thing. To make it as bright as you can, all the other way on the dial. Hold that down to switch back to the other one. When you're on this mode, hold back down to switch back to the other one. Pretty cool. Power off, one tap, double tap, flashing, double tap, flashing, single tap, power off. Hold it on, double tap to do the different ones. And just single tap to bring on the bright light. If you want to switch over, hold it down. So kind of a lot of different instructions there on that. And that's with the side light. Now we have the front light and that's basically just on, just press that and then we can dial it down or we can dial it up all the way as bright as possible. And that's going to be the same as if we do the double click on the side. And then the strobe, you can do that. And then we have the little moonlight one. So just switch to moonlight and that's about all it does. And you can't make that brighter or less bright. Yeah, it's got a magnet on the end. So if you want to put this on the door or you're working on your vehicle, stick it on the hood of your car. Nice, strong, sturdy clip here. Put it right on your pants, on your belt loop, wherever, on your pocket when you're walking. It's got a decent waterproof rating, I believe, too. So very handy, very cool looking flashlight as well. Comes in a bunch of different colors. So pretty happy with it, guys. We'll go outside and just kind of show you the beam strength and the different things there. Okay, friends, here we go, testing the WUBEN out here in the backyard. See, it's pitch black back there. It just brightens right up. Do the strobe. Hit the side one here if we want. See, it doesn't like it, more of a kind of a thing on the side here as far as like throwing out a, we have like the lightning. You can see that would be get attention from a far away if you want. So that's pretty sweet. And we can dial that down to low, bring it up to high. You guys can see it does a really good job of brightening up the backyard here. Throws a nice beam. Just a really bright flashlight and very small and compact. I really like this. Just fits right in your pocket. I wear cargo pants, so this is super easy just to carry along. And very intuitive as far as like, whoa, the different positions. You can set it on the table. You can just use this as like a little camp light or whatever in your tent. Put on the table for like, you know, whatever you're playing a board game or something like that. I got the lanyard on there so you could hang it from somewhere if you wanted, or the magnet also, I can just stick it on something. So if I want to give light right here, boom. I got light right here on my workstation, or put on my car, or whatever you want to do if you're working on something. So obviously it's durable too. Just took a fall right there, unfortunately. I bumped it, but you can see no harm, no foul. Everything working just fine. So this thing is durable as well. Didn't mean to drop it there, but it is like got this like solid metal like case, so quite burly. Anyways, my friends, if you're looking for a sweet little flashlight, it does a great job, very versatile and handy. This WUBEN X4 is pretty sweet. Thanks for watching this review, my friends. Hope it's helpful. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.